Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk you through a super simple process, how to cancel your Apple TV Plus subscription right from your iPhone. Okay, first things first, open up the Settings app on your phone. Then tap on your name, it's usually at the very top of the screen. Next, you're going to tap into Subscriptions. Give it a few seconds to load, and you'll see a list of all your subscriptions. At the top, you'll see your active ones, the ones you're currently paying for. Below that are your inactive or expired subscriptions. Now find Apple TV Plus in that active list and tap on it. This will bring you to the subscription details. You should see an option that says either cancel subscription, or like in this example, cancel free trial. Tap on that. Apple will show you some important info about what happens when you cancel, so read through it carefully to make sure you understand everything. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap Cancel Subscription. And that's it. After a few seconds, it should say that your subscription has been successfully canceled. You can then exit out of the Settings app and go back to using your iPhone as usual. It's really that simple. This is based on my own experience, and I hope it helps you out. You can find helpful links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.